What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are making a Denver Omelette Crunchwrap. Got some really good ingredients. Let's jump in.
Ooh, look at that creamy cheese, fluffy eggs. Ooh.
All right, now I know that there's no bacon in a Denver omelet. I know that. I know. I'm just using that because I feel like it'd be better using this than using like a tostada or something like that. So, yeah, we're going to get some bacon going. All right, so we got this bacon going over here. I'm just going to move this up a little bit. We're going to get going on these veggies. Now I got 1/4 cup of onion, green pepper, red pepper. Easy ingredients, standard, you know. Now I'm going to wait a little bit. Go ahead and let that stuff get going over here. I want to get some of that bacon grease incorporated with that. Now I got 1/4 cup of minced up ham right here too. So yeah, we're going to throw that in after this stuff is good. Because that stuff gets crazy popping and gets wild, getting all over my garage. I don't want it. So yeah, then we're going to be throwing in, we got 2 eggs for this. We're going to scramble these bad boys up. And then we're going to throw some everything bagel seasoning on it because it's amazing. And why wouldn't you? And then the tortillas right here. So that's all we got. Now I couldn't find, again, the really big tortillas. So I got medium-sized ones, and I just used a flour tortilla to, I just trimmed it up a little bit so it's not massive. So that's what we're working with today. Easy ingredients, something that you should be able to find. And forgot, but there is cheese. Boom. All right, now everything's cooking good up over here. We got that bacon grease on the veggies. This is around 240 right now. I have these 2 burners off. They've been off the whole cook. These 2 have been on high the whole cook. Because I want to try and keep this, kind of good over here so I can cook my eggs nice and good. See how we're looking at this bacon? Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of that grease. Oh, we lost one. Oh, yeah. We're looking good. Now, in this house, we prefer crispy bacon. That's just how we like it. So this is looking amazing and smelling amazing. Oh, baby. All right, the bacon's good. So I'm going to take the bacon. We're going to just put it right over here. Now, this is up to like 270 over here, so it's going to, keep cooking a little bit, which is fine. Now, I want to get this ham on here. Let's get that. I want a nice little char on that ham. This might be a little too much, veggies and ham, 1/4 cup each, but even if it is, I'm just going to save it, and wife will throw it in something tomorrow morning, no big deal. Man, I wish you guys could smell all this goodness. I turned these 2 burners down to low. Actually, I'm going to do a medium low. See, I want this to stay hot so I can warm up and toast my tortillas for the, get the folding, get it more pliable, that kind of thing. You know the deal. See, this is what I'm talking about. Getting all crazy on me. Oh, got me. Alright. Just spread it out. Let it cook for I'm just going to let it go for another 30 seconds. I'm going to move it over here and then warm up my tortillas, and ooh, it's time to go. Alright, this is done. Oh, see? We're done with this. Just going to move you right over here. This is going to be an amazing little dish. Everything smells so good. Now, what I'm going to do, we got the eggs ready, scrambled them up, put a little milk in there. Let's see, let me just clean this, keep the tortillas clean. Good to go. All right, see what temp we're working on too. 356. All right. So here's the one that I kind of cut to kind of make it fit. And this is the size that I was able to get. Some Guerrero brand. Pretty good stuff. Alright. Just warm them up real quick. We're going to throw them on the... Ooh, I did grab some hot sauce as well. Because what's a crunch wrap without some hot sauce? Alright. Here we go. Boom. I'm going to turn that one on low. Let's give this a flippy. Ooh, man. I'm so ready for this. A little onion. It'll look good right here. I'm going to kill these two. And I turn this one on low right here. So what I'm going to do is just put you... you know what? Let's just put it over here for now. These eggs are not going to take long to cook either. And you know what? I don't want them to. So I'm going to actually put them in the hot zone. Yep. Right here. Yep. Alright, so I got it on. All I'm doing is just flipping it. Trying to keep it in roughly a circle. I don't care if it breaks a little bit and starts to run. That's perfectly fine. Just keep it in here. Alright, let's get these veggies and ham. We're going to kind of just sprinkle that all up in here. Boom. Get in there. Want it all. Alright. Now, let this cook up for a hot second. And I did turn these back on and put it on warm. Or low. Alright, so I've been playing with it a little bit, just kind of moving it around, making sure it didn't stick, because I didn't put any butter or nothing down over here, so. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice and warm over here. Come here. Oh yeah. Here we go. Man, let's do this. Alright, let's check this out. It's been on here for about 30 more seconds.
Whole bunch of good looking flavors in there. Look at that.
Alright, y'all. About to dive into this. Looks so good. And it's normally when I do some kind of crunch wrap, I overstuff the thing every time. This is actually more the like thickness of what you would get at Taco Bell on a crunch wrap. Real kind of thin. Man, it looks damn good though. Pops is diving into it too. That applewood bacon, perfect. Nice creaminess from that cheese. The eggs, nice and fluffy. I don't know, I go back and forth whether I want to put water, milk, baking soda. I don't know, I switch up all the time. Never consistent. But, let's put a little hot sauce in here. And this is just the hot Taco Bell sauce. Come on, run down there a little bit. Much hotter towards the middle. I don't know, this is pretty good. I know my wife's going to want me to make this again. This is pretty good. So, all right, I'm about to get out, eat my dinner, relax. So I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.